Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be working on fixing a few things that are on our punch list. We managed to get our carpet installed and a few things that have happened since, because we got the carpet installed. Some of the doors scrape on the bottom on the carpet. We don't want it to rub. So we're going to take the doors and we're going to trim those off a little bit. Just run the planer on them and make sure that they open and close properly so you don't, tear the carpet up. Let me show you what the carpet's looking like, and we'll get started on getting the house wrapped up. Like I said, we got a few things left on the punch list, and should be pretty close to getting done. All right, there you have the carpet. It's a nice complementary color. It matches the flooring, the vinyl plank. As you can see, the door here, it rubs just a little bit. We don't want that to happen because we don't want to wear the carpet. And of course this door here, it's just a little bit too long. It won't hang, so we're gonna have to take it and trim it down a little bit. And the master bedroom, same situation on the closet door and the master bedroom door. The carpet is installed, looks really good. It's a little bit noisy. We've got the heat going here. In North Florida today, it's chilly 30 degrees, so had some frost, have the heat on this morning to make it comfortable in here so we can work. Glad to have the heat and the air conditioning working. Had the AC guy come out and get that going. And then the third bedroom, carpet looks really good. But as I said before, the door, let me see if I can you can see this. The door scrapes a little bit on the carpet, so we need to go ahead and get those trimmed off a little bit so they don't end up tearing the carpet up. And you can see there's our list, our punch list. We've got several things on it. Several things are marked off. We've got a few things we've got to add to it, but we've got a few things we're going to take off of it. Hopefully it'll be done before long. And there we go. Got a few things that are being marked off already as we speak.
The guy we took the roof off? Yeah. You talked to him about that trailer?
All the doors have been trimmed off now and reinstalled so they operate like they should. And get a little light in here. It's looking really good. Really good. I'll be glad when it's all done. But it's looking really good. One of the things that was on the list was Getting shelves in. We got our shelves put in. Got our doors all installed now after they've been trimmed up. Moved everything into the bathroom to get it out of the way where we could work. But it's looking really good. If you got any questions, leave a comment below. If you don't have a question, leave a comment below. Leave comments. I like comments because I don't have a life. YouTube is my life, maybe. Motorcycles are their life. They're having a heck of a time, apparently. I think I'm going to go have supper, though. It's 6 o'clock. It's time to eat. Yeah. But if you comment, I promise I will comment back. Or I'll try to. If it's, 8 o'clock at night, maybe I will in 5 minutes. If it's 2 o'clock in the morning, maybe I will in 5 minutes. And I'm babbling, and you don't want to listen to that. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.